Dan from Acres Homes has a question about a flat roof.
It's on his covered 22-foot walkway, Tom.
Okay.
Dan writes, the covered walkway is attached to the house and the garage with no support poles from the cement sidewalk to the cover. He says to sell it to an FHA-approved buyer, the walkway roof cannot be flat, and this one is. So, Tom, Dan wants your suggestions on what type of style of roof can he put on this. How can he change a flat roof to a slanted roof?
I've never heard such a thing, so I'd double check that one as far as the FHA,
the
flat
FHA
roof
thing.
Yeah, they have some rules, but anyway, check into that before you start spending a lot of money and putting a gable on that thing. Now, as far as 21 foot, and if it's got a sag to it, you might need some posts. That could hurt the sale of a house because people aren't going to want that. And so, in that sense,
we had a writer caller last week about that. Somebody sent something in last week about that.
I know. I think it was this guy.
No, because that one wasn't flat. So.
Oh, okay, that's true. I don't remember the flat part. Anyway, if it's sagging, watch it. Put a couple posts in the middle. I don't know how the beam was met. Double check the FHA flat roof thing. I just don't know if that's true or not. I've never heard of such a thing. They do have some gutter restrictions and stuff. And the other thing is not a lot of people use FHA loans anymore, so I don't know how important that would be to restructure a whole house for maybe someone's going to use one of those loans. You don't hear a lot of it. You just don't see it.
We love when you send us your questions to HomeShowRadio.com. You can see more of our answers over here. And, of course, you can subscribe to our channel, and you'll know whenever we post a new one.